Hello and welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can delete your WhatsApp account. Now there could be many reasons for you to wanting to delete your WhatsApp account. WhatsApp easily lets you do that, so make sure that you're kind of logged into your WhatsApp account on WhatsApp first before you start to do this process. And when you are logged in, just click on this three dot icon that you see on the top left corner of your screen and click on settings, and this will open up the settings menu on your WhatsApp account. So what you need to do is tap on account, and then this menu will appear. So tap on delete my account next. So deleting your account will delete your account from WhatsApp, erase your message history, delete you all from WhatsApp groups, delete your Google Drive backup. So make sure that you want to really delete your WhatsApp account, because everything that you previously had on WhatsApp will be gone. So make sure that you are okay with all these terms before you continue with this process. So what I do now is type in my phone number that is linked to my WhatsApp account. So I'm gonna delete my account. You need to see you go, why are you leaving? You can leave a feedback if you want, but if you don't really have a feedback, I mean, that could be a complaint that you might have with WhatsApp if you really are deleting the account because of a problem that you faced on WhatsApp. You can kind of, click on any of this option that you see right here, and then specify your suggestions for WhatsApp so that WhatsApp can do better. The programmers and the developers at WhatsApp can do better for you, provide a better service. So you can leave the feedback if you think that WhatsApp is a messaging app that needs a whole lot of improvement. So I don't really have a reason, I'm just showing you how to delete my account so that you know how this process works. So I'm gonna tap on delete my account, and then again delete my account, and it will start deleting my account from WhatsApp, all my previous messages, and here you can see your WhatsApp account has been deleted. So now that you deleted your WhatsApp account, you can always sign up for another one using another phone number if you wish to, if you're one of those person who wanna discontinue using your WhatsApp account from your previous phone number because you might have been harassed or something, something wasn't right on WhatsApp on that number. And if you do this, make sure that the person who's been not that good on WhatsApp won't know that you changed your WhatsApp number. By changing your WhatsApp number from WhatsApp on your previous account, the other person might have known that your number changed and all that. So for privacy reasons, you can create another WhatsApp account with another number. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.